Hello and welcome to Code Bubbles. Today I want to show our Smart Debugger Assistant DIAD. Here we have our IDE open on NoXML, a simple XML parser. As you can see, one of the test cases fails. Let's run that test case. This brings up our debugger, and here we have the Smart Assistant. In this case, the program has stopped at a breakpoint. DIAD determines there's no problem here and indicates that in its status area as part of the display. Let's continue execution. Note that the problem stops with an exception and DIAD determines there might be a problem. It first determines a detailed symptom for the problem. In this case, it's an assertion failure. Next, it uses an abstract interpretation-based flow analysis to do a backward slice from that symptom to obtain a set of potential fault locations. Next, it finds a routine on the stack whose execution might include the fault. Next, it does a simulated execution of that routine and everything it calls to obtain a full execution trace. Then it restricts the set of potential locations to those that were executed. And finally, it puts together a prompt for an LLM, in this case Qwen3 Coder Latest, along with tool agents to access the computed information, the execution trace, the debugger, and the source code. The prompt asks the LLM to explain the root cause of the problem. It will then, when get display in this area, its analysis of the problem. It does a long analysis here. And I think that is the correct response. If it's not the correct response, we can tell it to try again. We can ask to see the sources that are mentioned in the explanation. Main source is there. Or we can ask to see the repairs that were suggested by this explanation. Here it shows the differences, the edits in color. It also tries to validate the repair by doing a simulated execution with the repair in place and seeing if the symptom went away and the program runs to completion. The result of that validation is shown in the repair pane. You can also go here and ask arbitrary queries for this point in the program execution and get information for debugging or whatever else you need to do. Thank you for... Okay, the other thing you can do here is if you're satisfied with the patch, you can tell it to actually make the repairs. Well, thank you for viewing our Smart Debugger Assistant. If you want to try it, it's available for download as a Code Bubbles plugin.